Hi, I've opened the gearbox and what I found in the bottom of the corner was this part here, and I have no idea where this came from. That's my Kickstart Pro, and I don't know, I've never seen one, so I don't know what I'm looking for. But yeah, and unfortunately, as careful as I was when I took the side casings off, the bloody selector arm has slipped out, and the cam plate here is all loose. So best I start looking at my Rupert ratio book and working out how I rebuild that. Up to date, all I've done is bantam gearboxes, so this doesn't look that much different. But anybody who can give me any advice on how this has come from, or where this has come from, or what it is, greatly appreciated, because right now I've got quite a poorly gearbox. Thanks for watching. Guys, I've had a couple of minutes to look at this gearbox, and I'm no expert, as you can all tell, but this Kickstart Pro now appears to be engaging, i.e. if I hadn't dislocated the arms and returns, this would be doing its job. And when I pull this out and I have a look, I'm hoping you guys with experience can tell me, but there doesn't look to be any damage to the actual Kickstart Pro mechanism at all. And there's the gears, and I've looked at each of the gear wheels and gear surfaces, and there's no apparent damage to the gears, wheels, gear surfaces or bushes on the casing. So I'm absolutely puzzled, and I'll be poring over the Rupert ratio and the Dragonfly schematics tonight, but I can't work out where that's come from. If any of you have got an idea, give us a shout. Hopefully this video doesn't go on too long and doesn't bore too many of you to death, but any advice greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching.